Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove or delete a GitHub repository. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to remove or delete a repository is so easy. You will be needing to go to your repository, go to its settings, and basically you will be deleting there. So there are two type of settings. There are of course the account settings from here, and you can find these settings, and there is the repository settings. So you can access your repositories from many places. Either you can click on this three bar icon, and from there you will find your repositories, or in the home page here in the dashboard you will find also your repositories, etc. Or you can simply click on profile picture, and from there you will find also your repositories option, and you can access all the repository. And basically now you can just choose any repositories that you would like. For example, let's just go for this one, and simply we will be needing to go to the settings of this repository, and from here we will find these settings. Now we will be needing to go and delete our repository. So basically there are many uh, options here in the side menu or the sidebar, and the one that we are interested in is at the bottom of the page. So make sure you are in general and go to the bottom, and from here we will find the danger zone. So here you can start using some danger abilities or functions or features for your repository, and basically the one that we are interested in this case is deleting the repository. So now we will be needing just to click on delete this repository, and make sure you want to delete this repository, and basically you will need and click I have read and understand these effects. So make sure to accept, and basically your repo will be deleted. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.